नमस्कार मित्रों, मैं राजीव मिश्रा सोशल रिसर्च फाउंडेशन में आपका बहुत बहुत स्वागत करता हूं और आपको बताना चाहता हूं सोशल रिसर्च फाउंडेशन उच्च शिक्षा में शोध प्रशिक्षण के लिए लगातार तत्पर रहता है और इस क्रम में हम 6 अंतर्राष्ट्रीय रिसर्च जर्नल्स का प्रकाशन लगातार कर रहे हैं। मित्रों, जर्नल्स की जो गुणवत्ता है उसका प्रमुख कारण है हमारा रिव्यू प्रोसेस। हम अपने पेपर को डबल ब्लाइंड पीयर रिव्यू पद्धति के आधार पर रिव्यू कराते हैं, तमाम एक्सपर्ट्स के पास भेजते हैं और उनके द्वारा अनुशंसित होने पे ही वो पेपर आगे प्रकाशित होता है। इसी कड़ी में सोशल रिसर्च फाउंडेशन ने एक नई शुरुआत करी है, वो है ओपन वाइवा। इस क्रम में हम जूम मीटिंग के तहत एक्सपर्ट और लेखक को आमने सामने रखकर एक साक्षात्कार कराते हैं, जिसमें दोनों एक दूसरे से अनभिज्ञ होते हैं। खाली उनके पेपर एक दूसरे के पास होते हैं और वे अपने पेपर पर एक डिस्कशन करते हैं एक्सपर्ट से, और एक्सपर्ट उस पेपर पर साक्षात्कार पद्धति से डिस्कशन करने के बाद पूरी तरह जब संतुष्ट हो जाता है तब वह पेपर हम अपने जर्नल में प्रकाशन के लिए भेजते हैं। तो आइए हम अपनी तरह का पहला अभिनव प्रयोग करते हैं रिव्यू प्रोसेस के लिए ओपन वाइवा के रूप में।
Of drought on social conditions of farmers in Latur district.
Okay.
अभी जिस पेपर के राइटर ऑथर है वो हमारे साथ जुड़े हुए हैं। आप आपने उस पेपर को लिखा हुआ है, आप अपने व्यूज बोल सकते हैं। जो भी कॉन्फ्लिक्शन हो, we can solve it.
Hello, good evening, sir.
Yes,
Good evening.
sir. Very good evening, जी sir. बोलिए.
Paper actually it is paper is on the social impact, the impact of drought on the social conditions of farmer in Latur district. Latur is a part of a Marathwada region, and Marathwada is a drought-prone area. You may be aware or not, but in 2016, this region was supplied with a water by train, and 2016 was a very severe drought condition. So, what was the impact on the conditions of the farmer, the social issues which were generated because of these drought conditions that we tried to study? With my co-author is there are 2 authors, and we did this survey, and the sample the population was the Latur district farmers. The sample size was 400. We used multi-stage sampling technique for the selection of the sample. Then 400 sample size was 400. Then we did this survey. We prepared a structured questionnaire, and on the basis of that we collected the data, and we used one sample t-test for the selection of the impact on the farmers' condition. And we found that there are many issues related to the social issues related to the farmer, that is resulting into the suicide cases in this region. Then at the same time, the kids were deprived from the education. Then the farmers have to the social obligations they have.
Okay.
Then,
Okay, sir. I want to ask one question. What is the social issues of these farmers? What is the basic social issues? Can you give 2-3 examples social issues of a farmer?
Yeah.
Of a local district?
Yes, sir. The drought results, actually the thing is that Latur region is completely based on the agriculture. We don't have any industrial area nearby. So the primary source of income is the agriculture. And when there is a loss in agriculture loss, that affects into their short-term as well as long-term impact on them. So we found the issues like the the farmers' sons and daughters' marriage. That was one of the issue that we observed in our region. Suicide was another region. Then the children exploitation, that is, the kids are used for the water purpose. Then the other like fear of uncertainty among the people, the migration of the people. This was the another major issue in our region. The people migrated from this region to the areas like Mumbai, Pune in those in
Okay.
2016, and there was increase in addiction. Alcohol consumption also increased in this area period.
Okay, okay, sir. Another question, sir. Can you give how this paper is purely based on the primary sources, yeah, secondary sources, or mix up with that?
We use both, sir.
Okay,
Secondary source for the data collection, like the previous reports, that
okay,
the number of suicides in Latur region, that we collected from
okay,
the
okay.
secondary source.
And
And
is how many papers are searched for the secondary sources?
references around 17 I have quoted here, which are quality
Okay,
references.
okay,
But apart from that, there were more references also.
okay. Okay, and then another question: when you collect the data, as you put as this is the primary sources, and what are the basic obstacle when you collect the data? If have you faced any obstacle or any problem for collecting the primary sources?
Yeah, initially people were reluctant, and we found that there were some ambiguity in the answers. Sometimes the people thought that we are coming from the government, and there is some certain kind of a compensation. So they tried to exaggerate the information, and sometimes they tried to avoid the information. Another difficulty we found that the people were migrated. That this happened in 2016, and we studied in 2018-19. So some people were not available for the providing the information, and it is a perception scale. For validation, we didn't get any secondary data. Like this is our future plan. The impact on the social conditions, that is getting the data from the banks, getting their financial status. This is what we plan in the secondary phase.
Okay. Okay. Very excellent paper. Paper is very nice as it is purely based on the primary data as well as secondary data. No problem. And I found that when you put the reference, you may arrange in a like a numeric descending order, like 2020 years first one, or you may put as alphabetically also. But here
Okay.
we put as okay, that is also very beneficial for you. If you put as a yearly wise, then it is
Yes.
it may reference to another person to put your paper as a reference. Okay,
Okay.
okay,
Okay.
and
Yes.
very excellent. And then you put as a t-test methods are followed here. Okay.
Yes.
Okay. Can you tell me, you know about the SPSS, or you use the help, which take up help of another persons or any expertise
No,
persons? Or like-
no. I did data entry as well as analysis also. I use the SPSS software for that. We did coding, survey coding, entry, analysis.
Okay. Okay, excellent. Okay, thank you. And then author two, this paper is a combination of two authors, huh?
Yes, yes.
Okay, okay, okay,
Actually, he is my research student. This is the MPhil work,
okay,
part of a MPhil work.
okay, okay. Yes, madam, please.
हेलो
Yes, madam. Yes, madam.
सर का नेक्स्ट पेपर है इको गणेश फेस्टिवल सेलिब्रेशन इन लातूर सिटी अ सस्टेनेबल अप्रोच नाउ वी डिस्कस अबाउट दैट ओके सर
Okay.
आई एम आल्सो शेयरिंग दिस ऑनेस्टली और मैं बाकी अपने रिव्यूअर्स से भी चाहूंगी कि भी अपने क्वेश्चंस पूछ सकते हैं वी आर आल्सो गोइंग टू डिस्कस ऑन दैट
Madam, this paper is the author name is author is available now. Eco-friendly Ganesh festival celebration in Latur city, a sustainable approach.
Sir, this paper is also from the same author,
Okay.
written by the same author, and
Okay.
I think he is just going to discuss about that. So now you can proceed your second paper.
Yes. Okay. Author, please describe yourself about this paper.
Yeah, good evening, sir. Sir, actually, this is the extension of my previous paper. The previous paper was about the impact of drought on on the social conditions of Latur region. So the background is that as in 2016, there was a water scarcity. Our region was supplied water by the train, and for that time, each drop of water was very crucial for us. But this followed by there was not much recovery in 2017 and 18 in terms of rainfall. So the situation, though it was not as worse as 2016, but in 2019 again there was a water scarcity in the Latur city region. So and the September region means in 2019 the rainfall was less, and during the Ganesh festival, almost all the reservoirs were dried, and this is the area where the Ganesh festival is celebrated very by almost each and every house in our region. Around 28,000 small idols are immersed, and 300 to 500 big idols are immersed. So this is a very big celebration, and unfortunately, our region was not having enough water for drinking purpose also. So there was a lot of brainstorming done by this is my co-author is the district disaster management officer in Latur region, and then that time there was a thinking. This is the actual data collected from the collector office, and the persons who are involved in this work are part of this entire story. So that time the then collector Honorable G. Srikanth came up with an idea. Why not to, instead of immersing the raw idols, why not to reuse it? Because we were having 5 locations where the idols can be immersed, but all those 5 locations were completely dried, and for refilling it was requiring 1,70,000 crore of water, which was highly impossible.
Okay.
Then there was another plan that we can have some artificial tanks, but that was also very costly business. And there were some issues in Latur region like noise pollution, water pollution, and a lot of law and order issues related to the Ganesh festival. So the different stakeholders in the administration, collector office, municipal corporation, police department, they came together and they form a platform where the things can be resolved, and the people were called the
Okay. This
representatives.
paper is very excellent.
Yes, sir.
Okay, very excellent, very excellent. Must paper. Madam, may reviewer, other reviewer may ask any question, may need if you have.
Hello, author. May I ask you one question?
We have a
Yes, sir.
okay. I think sir, मैं
Hello.
अपने सर एक्सपर्ट से पूछना चाहती हूँ if they have any of the questions to ask. They have any query, they have any confusion to ask to the author, they can ask.
Excuse me, author. You have adopted only preliminary data or secondary data? No primary data. I think. Only secondary data you have used here.
Yes. Secondary data views, case study method we have adopted.
So the periodicity of the secondary data is
Sources
Any
were, yes, sir.
your periodicity of the data relates here is shows for the 15 to 19 only. So it is 4 years data you have taken only.
Because, for rainfall data, that we have shown here for 2015 to 19, because 2016 was a drought year for Latur region. And so that's why we thought that this should be highlighted.
Achha, sir. But earlier to any previous history prior to 2015, there was no draft or anything like that.
Sir,
In the Latur-
we have every 5 year drought. In 2014 also we faced the drought condition, and
yeah.
before that 2009 was a drought condition, but 2016 was a very severe drought.
Yeah. And would you like to tell me the limitations of your study?
We want this practice was conducted in 2019, but it was unfortunately the collector transferred to some other region, so it was not continued. So that there can be, because 2020 and 21 was a pandemic COVID condition, and celebration was completely cancelled. So we wanted that if this practice is conducted for 3-4 years, then there can be some concrete results we can show it to the society.
So one more question. You have given, I have just gone through the suggestions you have given, that imposing additional heavy tax on Ganpati idol.
Yes, sir.
One suggestion made by you, imposing additional heavy tax on Ganpati idol, and another suggestion you have given, another one somewhere, number 7, I think, collecting the flowers and nirmalya for manufacturing organic manner. So it is a, I think, a festival, or all religious festivals are a matter of sentiment. Don't you think that the sentiment of the people will hamper and that imposing a higher tax on Ganpati idol? How can you suggest this?
Sir, thing is that when we suggested, this was altogether the exploratory concept came out, innovative. This is the innovative method, and this has been given publication in the media as well as at national level also. And initially there was complete oppose for this. Means the people sentiments were so much emotional. They said that how can we donate our idols which we have worshipped for 10 days? But over the period of repeated meetings and counseling, so here we involve, here the public representatives were there, media was there, media played a very good role, and they convinced the people. This is a participatory method. It was not, there was no fine, there was no regulations, there was no restrictions, there was no policing. This was completely the public participation. So it's not I will not say it's impossible. It is possible. If we involve the people and if we show them, like in this, by this method we saved rupees 33 lakh, the administration saved rupees 33 lakh, 40 MLD of water was saved. So it is, there is a religious sentiments, but if we involve them, if we convince them, then it's possible.
Okay, thank you. But regarding your another paper, you have got that impact of drought on social condition.
Yes, sir.
In Latur. Okay. So in the second
Yes,
one, answer paper, you have taken your 400 farmers response.
Yes, sir.
So that is your total population. What is your total population? And that is your sample 400, or what do you mean?
Sample size was 400. The populations were the farmers from the 10 talukas. Latur district is having 10 talukas. From that we selected the farmers.
So how, on what basis you have taken this sample 400?
That formula about the I forgot the name, but E is equal to Z into that formula is there for the calculation of sample size. Assuming the 50% populations are aware and 50% are not aware, on that basis we calculated it.
Okay, and your objectives of the second paper is not clear to me. Will you restate it? Objective
for the drought, na?
Yeah.
To study the impact of drought on social conditions of farmers in Latur district. So our intention was that drought is a common phenomenon in our region, but we want to know that whether it has impacted to the conditions of the farmer. It is a part of a study. Our research, like co-author is Mr. I will not disclose the name, but the co-author is the District Disaster Management Officer, and he is my research student also. And this is his MPhil work. our study was related to the impact on social conditions as well as economic conditions, and at the same time, what are the innovative practices adopted to overcome it. So this was about the we primarily focus on the small margin farmers because they are the most vulnerable population. Yes, sir.
Hello.
Yes, madam.
Sir, are you satisfied with the answers of our respected authors?
Basically, I reviewed the paper and most of the questions has been asked already and before me. So I don't have anything. I don't think that. I think there is no questions from my side. That is a fine.
Means now we can approve this paper for publication for ourselves. Okay.
Yeah,
Okay,
this
sir.
can be approved.
Okay, sir. Thank you.